back into this video. It's another new video from me. As you guys can know, I literally just started my YouTube channel, but this is going to be an amazing journey, especially that I'm bringing you guys with me. So, getting straight into this video, before we even start, let's go back a little bit because I know, you know, I'm trying to grow, my YouTube channel with you guys. So you guys can come see or probably get motivated and to probably start trading. As you guys know, trading is not easy, but it's worth it. So if you guys haven't watched my previous YouTube video, which was a preview into what you guys will be seeing in this YouTube oh my god, YouTube channels, you guys can actually go back, go into my channel, click in the link in the bio on Instagram if you guys follow me, and you guys will be able to see that first YouTube video, right? So anyways, any questions that you guys have, I will be answering here. I did put on my recently because I did ask you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, and I'm like, okay, let me make a video, and based off the questions that you guys are asking me, I will be answering those at the end of the video. But right now, we're gonna get straight into this video and straight into what you guys are looking on the screen right now. Yeah, so we are on EUR GBP. This is the pair I usually analyze or looking into always analyzing, since I'm getting already a little bit used to analyzing. Yes, I have took losses, like when I'm talking about losses, but I have won as well, so nothing to worry about, just learning every day. So first thing first, you guys, we can be going, let's go into the daily. I'm still learning how to read, different time frames and everything, but first thing I see is that price, we are still low-key or high-key high-key, we are on an uptrend, even though price right now just literally after bouncing from level 1.0.91774, which is not a psychological level, but let's say actually 0.91500, after price came in, right, rejected from this candle right here, actually with a candle, bearish engulfing candle, right, after price rejected, price came down and actually came back down to level 0.89400, right? After that, we got another bullish engulfing candle, right, taking this previous high and breaking this level of support, which was resistance before, right? So now what I'm looking is that price did not break this previous high, right, and actually came into the psychological level 0.9130, let's say 30 or 50. If we want to go a little bit lower, we can say 0.91045, psychological level, boom, rejected, left the high from this previous candle high, did make a newer high from a few pips above it, and broke below this important area, which if we go to hour 4, this was an area where price was consolidating before boom coming back up, right? It broke that area, so it broke support. As you guys know, support will always be under price and resistance will be above. So once I see that price breaks support, I will be looking into a new support, right? Because when price, break a certain area, then of course it's going to look into another area where it can go to. So this is not resistance, we're looking for support. After that break, as you can see, it broke, retested with this doji candle, and right now it's consolidating. So what we can really do is that we can draw a consolidating or a breakout box, and that's what I'm waiting for now, because price is consolidating. After price broke this important support, now it's consolidating after retesting, right? So it wick to the high, wick to the high, wick to the high, not necessarily retesting this zone, but it keeps consolidating. And actually I am in a position right now with this pair on my MetaTrader 4, so luckily I can show you guys. I think I entered this. I need to go back and see what time I entered this, but I did enter it when it broke, you know, below this uh support, previous support, I'm sorry, previous support that is now resistance. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a breakout now to the downside. And the reason why price is consolidating, because if we go back, we always need to look left to see what price is actually doing, right? You guys see here that there's a lot of wick regions, right, where price was also consolidating. So this area right here stopping is what's stopping the price to move even lower, right? Because there's, you know, a lot of liquidity right here. So for the reason that price is consolidating is because there's a lot of liquidity, which is this area right here. If this area would have been here, this would have been here, then price most likely after this retest would have came and broke down. But since there's liquidity, price is actually moving really slow. So we just need to be patient. For those that are right now looking at this pair, I would wait for a breakout. Once we get that breakout candle actually outside this box right here, I would have put in my trade. Probably got a few pips. Let's see, 37 pips there. Perfect. That would have been great for me. And one thing I also like noticing is that price, if we use our moving averages, we're still below price, so we're still indicating that we are on a downtrend after getting this cross. We're still respecting this down bearish movement, right? So after I see, or after you guys see that price breaks this right here, this box, this breakout box where it's consolidating from, then you guys can actually put in your position, right? Let's say it breaks, cool. Putting in your position, I would put it here because there is a lot of liquidity, right? Our stop loss will go above the previous high, a few pips, 5 to 10 pips above previous high, and then perfect enough, you guys can put trade in. The risk to reward ratio would be 1.1, yeah, 1. Not really a big trade, but good enough of its setup right there, right? So we will need price to break this box right here, and I will perfectly be putting in my position. If we go to hour 1, then you guys can see that price is just consolidating, ranging, just going across. When I mean ranging, is that price is literally doing this, right? When price is trending, it can either be trending up or can either be trending down, right? You guys see the difference, but price is just going across, so it's nothing too special. You just need to be really patient and wait for price to break an important level. So we can also see that price is still below our both moving averages. Sometimes I use one, sometimes I use two, but usually when I use both moving average is to see if price reversed. So currently I am in a position right here. I'm being super patient and waiting for price to drop even lower after this break right here. So nothing too special about this trade. I will tune in later on to see what price, you know, have done, and yeah, I'll let you guys know. So I'll be back. So it's July 21st, one day later from the trade we were looking at yesterday. I told you guys I was going to give you guys an update of how would it went and how it's going. But as you can see now, guys, the trade is over. Honestly, it didn't hit take profit just because if we go back and look at this level where price could have bounced off, this psychological level 0.9000 right here, you guys can see that this is a level where price bounced back up, right? Didn't hit our full potential trade, but we did take out the trade early. We closed manually. We got good amount of pips there. I think 30 to something, I think 40 pips. Yes. And now the trade is done. But everything I said on the last video happened, right? The only thing that we was waiting for was that breakout right here. Remember when I said let's go ahead and see, wait for that breakout, and that's exactly what price did. Price was consolidating right here, just bouncing from resistance, support, on this little support resistance, right? And it ended up breaking support and it came down, right? Now this would have been better to put in this position on hour 1, but we end up putting it on hour 4, right? Only thing we was waiting, like I said, was for that breakout, right? That breakout. And then as soon as you guys would have seen that closure of this candle, you guys would have put in your trades. Probably would have been looking like, let me take this, probably would have been looking like this. For those that missed this position, probably would have been looking like this. Good. We would have put our stop above the previous high, a few pips higher, and then that would have been the trade you guys would have been looking in for. Even though it was kind of a short trade, you guys would have got 20 to 30 pips. I didn't get those 20 to 30. I got more because I entered my position around here. Once I saw this candle, this rejecting candle up here, I put in my position right away after that breakout. But for those that were just a little bit late, you would have been waiting for that breakout right here. If we go to daily, let's reset. If we go to daily, you guys can see that price is just, wow, there's a lot of things on the way. As you guys can see, price did break, but it gave us this candle right here, basically rejecting off this level 0.900, right? So we just gotta wait to see like what price is going to do next. We are coming in and we see that price did bounce from this level and now it's just coming back up, probably going to retest with this candle, with this engulfing bullish candle right here. We just need to see and wait if it's going to break this important area where price did break, or if it's just going to reject and come down even lower, right? So that was just a little update on this trade. We were successful enough to put in this trade. I was successful enough to put in this trade as well. So we're just looking into this psychological level in these zones where price market is actually going to reject, rebound, or break from. So that's all for this update. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys not follow me on Instagram, make sure to go follow me on Instagram. Will be in the link in the bio, or it'll just be around here in this video. But why do I sound like this? Oh my gosh, I hope you guys did learn a little bit about what I was doing here. We will see. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.